to what's cooking at my coffee shop. You're watching The Coffee Shop. We're working on our menu, and I'm not a professional chef. So we're gonna start off by cutting our tomatoes up, add some salt, add some garlic, and I guess we can add some oil. We'll see how they turn out. Now go and grab your toast, oil that toast up. I personally like mine with a lot of oil. And if there's any Italians watching, please be advised. Next, we grab our basil. I don't have any fresh basil, so I'm using this paste. Let's add our basil. Go ahead and smear it up a little. Once we have that set, now let's toast our sourdough bread. And this should come out around something like this. Now we add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Now grab your burrata, smear it on your toast. Now grab your roasted tomatoes and put it on top of that. Then we sprinkle some arugula. And this is how it turned out. Now a final taste test. Holy coffee, this is way better than expected. But what I know, let me know what you guys think.